Hello and welcome back to Dukascopy TV. It's Monday, the start of another week, and Erik Bjertnes is back in the studio with us to discuss palladium and platinum. Erik, thank you very much for coming in.
Nice to be here again.
Now we're going to start with palladium today, and some commodity analysts have claimed that palladium could outshine gold and silver in 2013. Would you agree?
No, it will outshine gold, I think, because there's new technology for these catalysators for cars, and since palladium is about 1/2 the price of platinum, which is used for catalysators now, there's going to be much more demand there for palladium.
As investors do remain bullish on palladium, we're seeing a big draw into the metal. Specifically, investors from India at present seem to be sort of very positive on palladium. What about this metal makes it so popular?
Well, because palladium you can also use with gold to make white gold, but it's not as shiny as platinum. It's not as expensive either, so that is probably one of the reasons. And the reason palladium price will go up is because the stockpiles in Russia are not so big anymore, and South Africa has all their problems in the mines.
There has been a discussion actually regarding a possible palladium deficit, and data out of Russia supports this idea. What impact is that likely to have on prices?
Push them up. The prices will go up.
How dramatic?
And that's why I think they'll go up about the same as silver. I would say they'll go up about 20% by the end of this year.
If we move on to platinum, platinum is in fact expected to advance 11% in the fourth quarter. What are the drivers behind this forecast?
Two things. One is the problem in South Africa, and also in South Africa you have many of the mines that are closing down because of the problems, so there's a shortage there. And the other thing is for jewelry, China is now very interested in importing platinum because it's nice and shiny and much harder than palladium to mix together with gold and make white gold.
However, recent troughs in the metals prices have caused concern about industrial demand for platinum. But given its broad usage, much more so than gold, for example, is that a true concern, do you think?
Oh yes, I think so, definitely. Well, it is a true concern because there are those problems in South Africa, and also the gold has gone up so much. Platinum used to be always higher priced than gold, and now it's about the same. So this is one reason, and well, you have the increased demand by China, and you have the shortage coming about because of South Africa.
Of course, we've mentioned South Africa and also Russia, and the fact that they do sort of dominate these markets so much. Yes. With unrest in South Africa, how does this impact investor confidence?
Sends the price up. And well, as long as the investors can want to invest at certain prices, the price is going to go up.
How long term do you think then that this problem could be?
Oh, it can take some time, perhaps a year or two, because it's a political hot potato in South Africa.
Of course. Erik, thank you so much. You'll be back with us next week to discuss uranium, yes?
Yes.
We'll be back shortly with more exclusive interviews for you, but for now, goodbye.